Hi, I am Dr. B. Venkateswara Rao, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, B.V. Rao Institute of Technology, Narsapur. My course name is Java Programming. My topic name is Arrays in Java. Arrays in Java. First of all, what is an array? An array is a contiguous memory allocation of similar data types. An array is a contiguous memory allocation of similar data types. Normally, an array is a collection of a similar type, that is the data type is same, similar elements, that is the type of elements are similar. Array is contiguous memory allocation of similar data types. Java array is an object which contains elements of similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory allocations. Contiguous memory location, that is allocation of elements in terms of contiguous memory allocation. It is a data structure. An array is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in Java array. Array in Java is index based. That is, an array, the index starts with the 0th element and ends with n-1 elements. Array element starts with 0th index, that is, index starts with the 0th element, ends with n-1 elements. So in this diagram, the length of the array is 10. The length of the array is 10. That means we can store 10 elements in this array. First index starts with the 0th element and ends with n-1, that is 9th position. So that is, index starts from 0th element, ends with n-1 elements, that is indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as indices. So now in this, whenever we are giving the 10 element, the length is 10, we can add the elements, or we can add elements starting from first index. The value is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. An array is a contiguous memory allocation of similar data types. That's why here I am entering the values in the array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So array length is 10. Index starts with 0, ends with n-1. Suppose n is equal to 10. Now starts with 0 and ends with n-1. The 0th element and n-1 elements 0 to 9. What are the advantages of array? Code optimization. The main advantage is code optimization. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. So next one is random access. We can get any data located at an index position. That's why we can access elements randomly. So what is the disadvantage of array in Java? The main disadvantage of an array is size limit. The main disadvantage is size limit. We can store only the fixed size of elements in the array. It doesn't grow its size at runtime. To solve this problem, we go for collection framework. Collection framework is available in Java. So to solve this problem, we will go for collection framework in Java. So advantages are code optimization and random access, and disadvantages are size limit Types of array in Java. Types of array in Java. There are two types of arrays available in Java. One-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional array or two-dimensional array. Array in Java is contiguous memory allocation of similar data types, and types of arrays are single-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Single-dimensional array in Java. Syntax to declare any array in Java is data type and name of the array, or data type, name of the array and size. Next, instantiation of an array in Java, that is array reference. Array reference variable is equal to new data type of size. Here new keyword is used for the creating object. To create array object, we will use a new keyword in Java. To create array object, we have to use new keyword in Java. So new is the keyword. Example of single dimensional array. So I will write one example of single dimensional array. Array starts with 0th element, ends with n minus 1 elements. Suppose I will write here element 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now suppose array starts with 0th element. Now a of 0 is equal to what is the value, and a of 1 is equal to what is the value, a of 2 what is the value, and a of 3 and a of 4, because 0th index, first, second, third, fourth. So length of the array is 5 elements. So a of 0, 10, a of 1, 20, a of 2, 30, a of 3, 40, and a of 4, 50. Example of single dimensional array. And now I will demonstrate Java program to illustrate how to declare, instantiate, initialize and traverse the Java array. Class single dimensional array. ID save the file with sdarray.java. Public static void main string args. Every Java program starts with the main. So within the main we have to declare the variables. Now here declaration and instantiation of the array. So declaring the array int a is equal to new int of 5. Int a is equal to new int of 5 means it is allocating that one array elements like this, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now a of 0 is 10, a of 1 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now it is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. Array starts with 0th element and ends with n minus 1. The length is 5. That's why here declared the size is here int, new int of 5 elements. It is a declaration and instantiation of single dimensional array. Declaration and instantiation of single dimensional array. To traverse an array, we go for one for loop. Initialization, condition, increment or decrement. That is, for loop is required. One dimensional array, we need one for loop. The syntax of the for loop is for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. So based on the given elements, 5 elements, here we have write that array index starts with 0. That's why for int I is equal to 0. I less than a dot length. Length property is available in Java. That is the length. The length property is available in Java. To find the length of an array, the length is the property of an array. Length property is already available in it. That's why a dot length. A dot length of returns the value is 5 here because the size is 5. Size is 5. So system.out.println a of 5. So to traverse array, here I am using one tool, that is pythontutor.com. So to visually explain or visually debugging line by line code of the Java program. So pythontutor.com. To traverse an array, single dimensional array, save the file with single dimensional array.java. So public class single dimensional array, and here int a is equal to new int of 5. Int a is equal to new int of 5 means it is declaring the array with a new keyword. To create array object, here we are using new keyword here, and int 5 means 5 elements. A of 0 is equal to 10, A of 1 is equal to 20, 30, 40, 50. The values are not fixed. Now we can change the values also. So now I will execute this program line by line, how the output must be shown. Please observe that all of you visualize execution. It is the line by line. The cursor is available here. Line by line executing the program, not only Java, C, C++ and JavaScript, but here I am using Java. That's why it is the pythontutor.com visualize code line by line. Click next. Yeah, observe that here int a is equal to new int of 5 means declaring a is the name of the array. Array consists of 5 elements. Array starts with 0th element and ends with n minus 1, 0 to 4. Next line, a of 0, 10, a of 1, 20, a of 3, 40, a of 4, 50. So now array starts with 0th element, ends with n minus 1. It is the array index, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are the elements in an array. So to traverse or to print array elements, we are using one statement here, system.out.println, print statement or print method, a of y. A of y means a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. Next, I0, a of 0 is, a of 0 value is 10. 10 is printed. Next, I plus plus, 0 plus 1, 1. Next, 20. I plus plus, 30. I plus plus, 40. I plus plus, 50. I plus plus, now I value is 5. 5 less than 5. The condition is failed. The condition is failed. It is come out of the loop. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The output is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So next, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The output is the traversing array elements. To traverse the array elements here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is 5 elements are printed. So it is about single dimensional array, that is declaration, initialization and traverse the one-dimensional array or single-dimensional array in Java. Next, we will go for multi-dimensional array in Java. Multi-dimensional array. So, before starting multi-dimensional array, we know that matrix addition, matrix multiplication and matrix representation in our mathematics. Suppose to represent any matrix, we will write like this. Suppose 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. The size is 2 by 2. Suppose matrix B representation 1, 0, 0, 1. It is also size 2 by 2. Right. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. So, I will write in general how the matrix is represented in any programming language, especially in Java. That is, matrix is available, A matrix, assuming that size is 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements available. Array starts with the 0th element and ends with n minus 1. So that's why 0, 1, 0, 1. 0th row, 0th column. This is A of 0, 0. A of 0, 0 position. A of 0, 0 position it is. A of 0, 1. 0, 1. 1, 0. 1, 1. If you know this logic, matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication or representation of any matrix are very easy. Once again, I will write the positions of representation of the matrix, assuming that A is a matrix and it is of size, assuming that 2 by 2. A of 0, 0 element, A of 0, 1 element, A of 1, 0 element, A of 1, 1 element position. That is 0th column, first column, 0th row, first row. That means 0, 0. A of 0, 0, A of 0, 1, A of 1, 0, A of 1, 1. We know that mathematically what it is? Ith row, jth column. Ith rows and jth columns. So now I will write the elements, ith rows and jth column elements. For example, assuming that matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 0, 0. A of 0, 0 is here 1. A of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 is 2. A of 1, 0. A of 1, 0. A of 1, 0 is 3. A of 1, 1. A of 1, 1 is 4. That means here A of 0, 0 is 1, A of 0, 1 is 2, A of 0, 2 is 3, A of 0, 1, 0 is 4, A of 1, 1 is 5. That is based on the representation. Here we will write that in this matrix, A matrix, A of 0, 0, A of 1 minute, A of 0, 0 is equal to 1. A of 0, 1 is equal to 2. A of 1, 0 is equal to 3. A of 1, 1 is equal to 4. That is the representation of the matrix in Java programming. This one is A of 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It is the representation of the multi-dimensional array in Java or two-dimensional array in Java. So once again I will write a representation, initialization, declaration of two-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. In this matrix, we know that matrix representation in terms of size, columns and rows. Representation of matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The size of A is 2 by 2. Size of B is 2 by 2. That is, now B of 0, 0 is equal to 1. B of 0, 1 is equal to 2. B of 1, 0 is equal to 3. B of 1, 1 is equal to 4. Like that, A 0, 0, 10, A 0, 1, 20, A of 1, 0, 30, and A of 1, 1 is 40. If you know these concepts, now we'll go for the syntax to declare multidimensional array in Java and how to traverse a multidimensional array and how to print multidimensional array elements, and with some examples. Syntax to declare multidimensional array in Java. Data type, array reference variable. R. Data type, array reference variable. Now multi-dimensional array, we have to use two square brackets, whereas in single dimensional array we have to use represent, that is one square bracket in your Java programming. Right? So it is about syntax and the declaration of multi-dimensional array. Now Java program to illustrate the use of multi-dimensional array, to demonstrate multi-dimensional array, that is multi-dimensional array declaration and assigning values in multi-dimensional array, and how to printing multi-dimensional array using pythontutor.com. It is very clear and visual tool to represent, to analyze how the array elements are stored. Okay, now I will go for pythontutor.com. So to execute Java program line by line. So multi-dimensional array. So first I will explain the multi-dimensional array. The line by line. Public class multi-dimensional array. Name of the array is multi-dimensional array. Public static void main string args. That is, every Java program starts with the main. And declaring and initializing 2D array, two-dimensional array. How we have to initialize and how to declare array elements. So int is the data type, that is the syntax of the multi-dimensional array. Data type is here integer. ARR is the name of the array. We may use A or B or ARR. That depends on our requirement. So two-dimensional array, we have to use the two square brackets here, and that assigns that two-dimensional array, the size is 2 by 2. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. Here I am using 1, 2. Suppose 3 rows and 3 columns, so we can change the values also based on our requirement. Now in this example, I am demonstrating 2 rows and 2 columns, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4. So it is the declaration and initialization of two-dimensional array. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Later on you change the elements, no problem. Now after declaring and initializing array elements, we will print 2D array, printing the two-dimensional array. Printing the two-dimensional array, we have to use, for single dimensional array we need one for loop. For two-dimensional array we need, a requirement is 2 for loops, that is one for rows and another for columns. For printing rows we will use one for loop, and printing columns another loop. 2 for loops are required, that is ith rows and jth columns. In general we are taking that I and j, ith rows and jth column. Array index starts with the 0th element, ends with n minus 1. Array index starts with the 0th element, ends with n minus 1, and so on, later on increasing the elements. System.out.println array of ij or a of ij, whatever may be the situation. So now this program I will explain, I will execute using pythontutor.com. So multi-dimensional array, now go to the first, the program. Now I will execute this program line by line, edit this code. Now visualize execution. Int ARR or int ARR means name of the array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, how it is declared internally while declaring the array in Java program. Yes, here. ARR is the name of the array, and size is here 1, 2 and 3, 4. That's why 0, 1, 0, 1, that is here 0, 0. I already explained A of 0, 0, A of 0, 1, A of 1, 0, A of 1, 1. That is array of 0, 0. Ith rows and jth column is 1. Array of 0, 1 is 2. Array of 1, 0 is 3. Array of 1, 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. So now 4 elements are stored in memory while declaring multi-dimensional array. The type of array elements are integers. That's why int array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now executing and checking the 2 for loops one by one. For initially I value 0 and j value 0. I value 0, j value 0. Array of 0, 0. Array of 0, 0. What is the value of array of 0, 0? So in this diagram, array of 0, 0 is 1. 1 will be printed here. System.out.print array of ij. System.out.println or system.out.print array of ij means it will print array of 0, 0. Array of 0, 0 is 1. Array of 0, 0 is, it is pointing to 1. Next, I value 0, j value 1. Array of ij. Array of ij. Array of ij is here 0 and 1 is 2. Now 2 will be printed. Next, array of 1, 1, 2, j value 2, the condition is failed and it moves to the system.out.println, new line. Println indicates that after 1, 2, it goes to the next line. Output printing in next slide. Now for I is equal to 0, once again, and I plus plus, I value is 1, j value 0. I value array of 1, 0. array of 1 0. I is 1, j is 0. 1 0. 1 0 means 1 0 position is the value is 3. Now next line 3 will be printed. Yes, here 3 is printed. Next, I1 J1, array of Ij, ith row and jth column. 1 1 position is here 4. That's why now it is printing 1 2 3 4. The output is here 1 2 3 4. In terms of representation of matrix, size is 2 by 2. If you want, you will change the values 3 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 4 based on your requirement. But here I am demonstrating only 2 by 2 only. You will change the values based on your requirement. Edit this code and observe the output. Next, I value 2. Then, so both the for loops will not execute. Now the output is here 1 2 3 4 only. So it is about initializing and printing multi-dimensional array. And next I will go for example of multi-dimensional array. Example of multi-dimensional array, that is addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices. So we know that how to initialize two-dimensional array and how to print two-dimensional array in previous example. Now in this example, I will explain how to add two matrices using multi-dimensional array. So first of all, I will explain that what is the rule behind how to add two matrices. B is equal to, again I will write 1 2 3 4, 2 by 2. In matrices, one rule is available. The rule is adding two matrices. Matrix A, rows and columns is equal to matrix B, rows and columns. A size is equal to B size. Then only matrix addition and subtraction is possible, or else matrix addition subtraction is not possible. It is the fundamental rule, that is the size of the matrix A and the size of the matrix B both are same, then only matrix addition is possible. Then only matrix addition is possible. It is the rule. Now how to add two matrices? We know that 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. So A plus B, C is equal to A plus B. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the output of the matrix C, that is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 matrix addition. So now I'll explain the line by line source code, and I will use a pythontutor.com tool. Right. This is the program. Addition of two matrices using multi-dimensional array in Java. So class add array, save the file with addarray.java, public static void main string args. Every Java program starts with the main, and creating two matrices. So int A, data type is integer, A matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4. Creating another matrix to store the sum of two matrices. We don't know that output of the resultant matrix. For that purpose we are using one more variable int C is equal to new int of 2 by 2 because A matrix size is 2 by 2, B matrix size is 2 by 2. Finally, the resultant matrix is also the size is 2 by 2. This example I am explaining only 2 by 2. Later we will change the values, that is 3 by 3, 3 by 4 or 4 by 4 or 5 by 5. It depends on your requirement. But here I am demonstrating only the size is 2 by 2. Adding and printing addition of two matrices. Here initializing A matrix, initializing B matrix, creating and initializing, and C matrix created, but we don't know the result. For adding two matrices, we have to write the source code, that is the logic here. For int I is equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. The logic of the program. The logic of the program is Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Here a small confusion, no problem. That is, here I will write A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and B matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 2 by 2, B is 2 by 2. But we don't know what is the value of C matrix, that is resultant. The resultant Cij is equal to, Cij means ith rows, jth columns, ith rows, jth columns, ith rows, jth columns. A of 0, 0, C of 0, 0. First of all, we have to calculate C of 0, 0, C of 0, 0. C of 0, 0 is equal to, C of 0, 0 is equal to A of ij plus B of ij. A of 0, 0 plus B of 0, 0. The meaning of Aij plus Bij. The meaning of Aij plus Bij means first matrix, 0th row and 0th column. Second matrix, 0th row and 0th column. Here A of 0, 0 plus B of 0, 0. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next, Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Here C of 0, 1. C of 0, 1 is equal to A of 0, 1 plus B of 0, 1. 2 plus 2, 4. Next, C of 1, 0. C of 1, 0 is equal to A of 1, 0 plus B of 1, 0. 3 plus 3, 6. Next, C of 1, 1 is A of 1, 1, A of 1, 1 plus B of 1, 1. That is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That is 2 by 2. So it is the explanation about line by line code, line by line and addition of two matrices. Now I will demonstrate this program using pythontutor.com tool. Go to pythontutor.com. That is public class add array. Edit this code. So visualize execution, that is int A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So A matrix first. Previous program only one matrix. Now here we are using two matrices and one resultant matrix, that one third one is C matrix. So now A matrix is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, B matrix. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what about matrix C? Matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0 because the default value of integer, in C or the default value of integer in Java is 0. The default value of integer in Java is 0. That's why C of 0, 0, C of 0, 1, C of 1, 0, C of 1, 1. All elements are zeros. All elements are zeros. Now we have to calculate that C of 0, 0, C of 0, 1, C of 1, 0, C of 1, 1. Next, I value 0, J value 0. Now Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. That is the logic of the program. Now here calculating that 1 plus 1, that is A of 0, 0 is 1, B of 0, 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So like that, it will calculate Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. So 2, 4, 6 and output is 8. Finally, it will print that addition of two matrices here 2, 4, 6, 8. Now C of 0, 0, 2, C of 0, 1, 4 and C of 1, 0, 6, C of 1, 1 is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is about demonstration of addition of two matrices using multi-dimensional array. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.